So, the Rotterdam Rules will apply to any contract of carriage, provided at least part of the carriage contains an international sea leg and the place of receipt, delivery, port of loading or discharge is located in a contracting state. As we've just heard, the Rotterdam Rules may uniquely extend to other modes of transport, such as road, rail and air.
The Rotterdam Rules are not a multimodal convention, but they are, in some way, they have some kind of multimodal transport when there is a maritime transport together with an inland or air transport. So it's not correct to say that it's not. It might be, it's what personally I mentioned in the conference, it's a wet multimodal transport. So it will cover a multimodal transport as far as that it's included a maritime leg in that multimodal transport. So the period of application of the rule has been also extended, not only from the loading to the unloading, but from reception to delivery of the goods. And that's a sign of modernity that has been improved in the convention.
Interesting. So what happens to existing mandatory international conventions? For example, the CMR, which governs international road carriage. What about the conventions governing other modes of transport, such as rail and air? Surely there must be some conflict. I caught up with Professor Philippe Delbecq on these issues at the conference. And what about Article 82 with the potentially conflicting arguments about the convention, CMR? Warsaw and the Air Convention.
We listen often this
yes, the Montreal Convention.
But once again, Article 82 is clear. Nothing in this convention affects the application of any of the following international convention in force. Any of the following international convention, that is to say, if there is a road segment before the maritime carriage, that is to say CMR.
Yeah.
Or if there is a conflict between Rotterdam Rules and CMR must prevail. It's clear.
And what about rail?
It is the same. The CIM, it is a convention about rail, prevails upon Rotterdam Rules. No, it's.
And same with the air conventions.
Yes. You have to understand that Rotterdam Rules are not a multimodal convention. It is a maritime plus convention. Yes. The system is quite different.
So there has to be an international maritime sea leg.
Yes. Yes, in any case, yes. And the parties have the possibility to enter in a port-to-port contract or in a door-to-door contract, up to them.
So, the Rotterdam Rules extend the application to accommodate door-to-door contracts. But what's the present position?